News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in National Food Security Mission, Steel Authority of India Limited, Central Groundwater Board, National Dope Testing Laboratory, Centre for Personnel Talent Management, and Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad. Directorate of Oilseeds Development, Government of India, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare, Hyderabad, invites applications for engagement of one post of consultant on contractual basis under National Food Security Mission, NFSM. Application and other details are available in the website www.nfsm.gov.in or oilseeds.dac.gov.in. Interested candidates may apply within 20 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL, is one of the largest steel-making companies in India and one of the Maharatnas of the country's central public sector enterprises. SAIL produces iron and steel at 5 integrated plants and 3 special steel plants located principally in the eastern and central regions of India and situated close to domestic sources of raw materials. SAIL manufactures and sells a broad range of steel products. Steel Authority of India Limited, Bokaro Steel Plant, SAIL Refractory, SRU and SAIL Collieries invites application from eligible candidates for the following post. One post of Medical Officer ME1 for BSL, one post of Medical Officer ME1 for SIU, one post of Medical Officer ME1 GDMO and one post of Medical Officer ME1 OHS. For detailed advertisement, please refer to SAIL's website www.sail.co.in. Applications are invited for filling up one post of Project Director Atal Bhujal Yojana by deputation including short-term contract in the Central Groundwater Board under the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation. Duties and responsibilities for the post are as follows. A National Program Management Unit NPMU with necessary infrastructure and staff has been established in Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, which will be responsible for coordinating and facilitating program implementation, including providing implementation support to the participating states. The NPMU for and on behalf of the Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation shall manage the day-to-day activities including administration of funds allocated to Atal Bhujal Yojana. It will provide technical support through experts hired to the participating states and undertake regular monitoring and evaluation of implementation of the scheme. The NPMU will be headed by the Project Director, who will be an official not below the rank of a Joint Secretary of the Government of India. Applications in duplicate in the prescribed proforma through proper channel may reach the concerned authority within 45 days of the date of publication. Soft copies of the application scanned in PDF format may also be sent at email address dse2-mowr@gov.in followed by hard copy. The National Dope Testing Laboratory NDTL is a premier analytical testing and research organization established as autonomous body under Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. It is the only laboratory in the country responsible for human sports dope testing. It is accredited by National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories, NABL, and World Anti-Doping Agency, WADA 2008, for testing of urine and blood samples from human sports. NDTL is one of the 32 WADA accredited laboratories in the world. It is one of the modern and state-of-art laboratory in the country equipped with latest analytical instrumentation. Its mission and objectives are to provide accurate and reliable testing services for dope testing of human sports to the satisfaction of clients, to become an institution with high level of research in drug of abuse analysis in the country and the world, to conduct research in biochemistry, forensic science, biotechnology, chemistry and pharmacology, to innovate new methods for drugs of abuse analysis, and to conduct doctoral and PDF research in drug of abuse and allied area under interdisciplinary scheme to promote interest of young talent in this area. National Dope Testing Laboratory invites applications from eligible candidates to fill up the vacant post by deputation, including short-term contract. One post of Director, Scientist F, PML 13, one post of Senior Technical Officer, Information Technology, PML 10, and one post of Section Officer, PML 7. Applicants are requested to ensure that their application forwarded through their cadre controlling authority should reach the concerned authority within 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. For further details, please log on to NDTL's website www.ndtlindia.com for detailed advertisement along with application proforma. Centre for Personnel Talent Management, CEPTAM, a unit of Defence Research and Development Organisation, DRDO, is committed to scrutinize, actualize human potential to develop quality manpower required for DRDO. This centre invites applications for 2 posts of Junior Research Fellow in any one of the following disciplines: Computer Science and Engineering or Technology, Computer Science and Automation Engineering or Technology, Computer Science or Technology and Informatics Engineering, Computer Science and System Engineering, Computer Science and Information Technology, Information Technology, Computer Science or Engineering or Technology, Software Engineering or Technology, Information Science and Engineering or Technology, and Computer and Communication Engineering. Number of vacancies may increase or decrease as per requirement. A vacancy may be kept unfilled if no candidate is suitable. Duly filled application form in the prescribed format available on the What's New section of website www.drdo.gov.in along with self-attested copies of mark sheets, provisional or final degree, age proof, caste certificate if applicable, and valid GATE or NET scorecard if applicable, as on crucial date of eligibility, should be scanned in a single PDF file and emailed to recruitment@septem.drdo.in on or before 7th May 2021. Candidates are advised to keep their mobile numbers and email IDs provided in application active for correspondence till the completion of recruitment process, since all correspondence will be done through email or mobile. It may be noted that offer of fellowship does not confer any right of absorption in DRDO. Only shortlisted candidates will be eligible to appear for interview as per schedule and instructions intimated via email and SMS. For any query, please contact at recruitment@septem.drdo.in. Applications are invited from highly motivated students for Junior Research Fellowship JRF leading to a PhD degree in Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad. The JRF program will start in July 2021. Online application will close on 10th May 2021. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.